Well, this is a problem. Um, this this is a problem. We're supposed to be going to the beach today, right? Today is supposed to be the beach episode. I left the house, and then for some reason my data is not working right now, which is a problem. I kind of need that. Let's lift across. Yeah, I kind of need that. And I was like, yeah, I'll walk to Abby's place and meet from there. I don't 100% know how to get to Abby's place without the map. But in my head, it's just a straight line. So I'm just gonna keep walking straight until I see her house. So I'm still walking straight. I'm keeping this mentality. I'm telling Mikhail about something in my messages I will eventually send to him, I guess. And I noticed this in front of me. Roti doubles, bacon shark, catering for all occasions. Big up Trini girl. Don't know if I'll ever reach inside to try you, but you're there, I guess. Honestly, I swear to God, where am I? Like, this is the second Trini spot I've just like passed in like 2 seconds. I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on. But you know what? Whatever. It's fine. We have a mission. We're on a timeline. These places are also closed. So I am 98% sure I've done this correctly. I navigated reaching Abby's house without the map. So we'll see what happens. Oh, hi. Okay, we are on our way to the beach for the beach episode.
Beach episode! Beach episode! Beach episode!
Okay.
Yay! Hello vlog! Yes.
I've never been to New York Beach. I'm just here vibing. Abby, we're here, right?
We're here!
Okay, I don't understand what's going on. I don't see no sand. I don't see no bacon shark. I'm confused. Okay, so we ended up going to Smoke and Barrel something.
Yeah, like a bar.
Yeah,
It's
for
got really
lunch.
good food.
Really good. I refused to pay $17 for a burger, so I just got fries. Because in my head, $17 for a burger is insane.
It was like $10 for the burger and $7 for fries.
No, it was $17 for the burger.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I ate it and it was really yummy and now I'm so full. I feel like I need to go take a nap.
You take a nap. Yeah, we're heading home now. Beach day is over. Final thoughts on beach before I reach home or before I go inside. At least maybe this beach, Rockaway, I don't know, probably New York beaches in general. Very mid. Wasn't a bad beach. Wasn't a good beach either. It was alright. It was a beach. I miss the beaches at home. I really miss the beaches at home. If you see an update inside Abby's house, it means I made it. If you see an update where I'm crying lost, then I did not make it at all. Oh, and well, it goes to say, if you don't see this vlog at all, like this vlog doesn't exist, then I just didn't survive, I guess.
It's okay. Oh, I look really bad there.
That's gonna be the thumbnail now. For the first time, the vlog thumbnails are gonna change.